Hydrogen bonding is a special type of strong dipole-dipole interaction. It's one of the most important intermolecular forces in chemistry and biology. Understanding hydrogen bonding will help explain many unusual properties of water and other substances. Hydrogen bonding is an especially strong dipole-dipole interaction that occurs when hydrogen is bonded to highly electronegative atoms. This creates an unusually powerful attraction between molecules. It's much stronger than typical dipole-dipole forces, which makes it unique among intermolecular forces. Hydrogen bonding only occurs with three specific bonds: hydrogen bonded to fluorine, hydrogen bonded to oxygen, and hydrogen bonded to nitrogen. These are the only three combinations that produce true hydrogen bonding. Remember the pattern: H-F, H-O, and H-N. Why do only fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen form hydrogen bonds? First, they have extremely high electronegativity values. Second, this creates very polar bonds with hydrogen. Third, this leaves the hydrogen atom highly delta positive, or partially positive, making it strongly attracted to nearby electronegative atoms. These three factors together create the conditions for hydrogen bonding. Here's how hydrogen bonding works. When hydrogen is bonded to fluorine, the hydrogen becomes delta positive and the fluorine becomes delta negative. This highly positive hydrogen is then attracted to the delta negative fluorine on a neighboring molecule. The dotted line represents the hydrogen bond, which is the strong electrostatic attraction between the delta positive hydrogen and the delta negative electronegative atom. Several common substances exhibit hydrogen bonding. Water, or H2O, is the most famous example. Hydrogen fluoride, or HF, also shows hydrogen bonding. Ammonia, or NH3, forms hydrogen bonds between its molecules. Even large biological molecules like DNA rely heavily on hydrogen bonding to maintain their structure. Let's compare the strength of hydrogen bonds. They are stronger than regular dipole-dipole forces and much stronger than London dispersion forces. However, they are weaker than covalent or ionic bonds. Typically, hydrogen bonds have a strength between 5 and 30 kilojoules per mole. This intermediate strength is what makes them so important in chemistry and biology. Hydrogen bonding has a dramatic impact on physical properties. Substances with hydrogen bonding have higher boiling points than expected for their molecular size. They also have higher melting points than similar molecules without hydrogen bonding. Most importantly, hydrogen bonding explains the unique properties of water and ice, including why ice floats and why water has such a high boiling point.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.